So we could see more votes in the UK Parliament, potentially inching closer to a general election. It will be another pretty interesting week on Brexit.
Absolutely. I mean, markets will be looking to see if lawmakers can find any common ground on some of these exit options after Parliament rejected all 8 on the table last week. In addition, I think it's going to be important to watch how things develop with the European Union. EU President Juncker said this weekend that the bloc's patience with the EU or with the UK isn't going to last forever. So I think investors will be keeping an eye whether those relations fray further as we get closer to this departure date.
Are we getting closer to this idea that we might see a no deal or a hard Brexit? Is that what pound traders are really worried about at this point?
I don't think it's anyone's base case at this point, but, you know, with 12 days to go, it's definitely becoming more of a risk. And I think it's pretty appropriate to say it's probably the worst nightmare for pound traders. I mean, the government's own analysis showed that a no-deal Brexit would lead to a significant depreciation of the pound. And talking to people in the market over the past weeks and months, they broadly agree with that assessment.
So are they hedging? How are investors preparing for April 12th?
Well, you're either getting out or you are buying volatility. On Friday, 2-week implied volatility on pound-dollar options surged to the highest level since the aftermath of that 2016 referendum. So no matter what happens in the weeks to come, I think it's probably fair to say that it's going to be a rocky road there.